Grow with Shilpa channel, where we all are about improving our communication skills and building the better connection. I am Shilpa and I am very excited today's topic because today's topic is going to be very fantastic. Before starting the video, I want to ask a question. Have you ever found yourself in conversation that just did not quite click? Or maybe you say you have wished you could connect more deeply with the person you want to talk. But before jump into the good stuff, let me ask you this. Did you know that effective communication is the key to building a strong relationship? Whether it's in your personal relationship or at work or professional relationship, it's true that the ability to have a good communication skills can open doors and create opportunities you have never imagined. You have never ever imagined. In this video, I will walk you through the art of conversation. So stick around because by the end of this video, you will have the toolbox full of tips to make your conversation engaging and meaningful. So I'm really looking forward to sharing this video. Very exciting to share my experience. Very excited to communicate with this topic. So I'm very excited today. So without any further delay, let's get started. In order to build our communication skill, in order to have a good communication skill, we should be good listener. For example, I am talking to you, okay, and you are interested to listen me. When you listen me, it means you are paying the attention to listen me, and you are nodding the head that if you are saying something, it shows that you are interested to listen other person. It means that you are a good listener and you are paying attention too much to listen that person, to listen that thoughts. You are taking interest to listening the person. Be a good listener. To have a good communication is a very important important thing. When we listen other person, they think that you are taking interest, you are paying attention to listen the person. It means you are taking interest, you are interested to listen the person. And the second point is to have a good communications skills, that is use compliments. For example, you are listening to me, okay, and you are paying attention to me, to listen to me, and you should use the compliments. For example, that you can say that you have a great idea, I like your style, I like the way you are talking, I like the way you are convey your thoughts to us, I like your thoughts, I like your everything. You can use the compliments to show that you are taking interest the other people. It means that you are interested to talk to that person. You are taking interest, you are paying attention, you want to talk to that person. That's why you are paying attention. To have a good conversation, you should use compliments. While having the conversation, you can find the common grounds. It means that you are talking to someone and you are interested to talk that person, and you want to go deeply to that conversation. You can use the common grounds. It means start by talking about the thing that you both like. For example, talk about the movie that you enjoy. Talk about your favorite films, talk about your favorite novels, talk about your favorite thing. To go the deep conversation, to know about the person deeply, you can use the common ground. Instead of this, you should avoid the controversial topic. For example, stay away from those topics, from those subjects that can lead you to arguments, like politics, personal problems, personal anything. Please avoid the controversial topics so that you can be more connect to each other, to have a good conversation. Instead of this, if you want to more connect that person, if you are literally want to know about the person, want to more connect that person that in which you are interested, it means you want to talk more. And you can do one thing, try to ask question that make them share more about themselves. For example, what do you like to do for fun? Do you like sports? Do you like enjoying? Do you like traveling? What do you like? What do you like to do in your spare time? You can ask question to know more about the person. And the most powerful weapon in order to have a good conversation is body language. See, we are not robot. We can use our body structures. We can use our gestures. A smile, we can smile to have a conversation. We can use our hands gestures to make them understand our feelings, our thoughts. We can use eyes. When we talk to someone, please connect to the eyes. Eye contact is the most powerful weapon to make yourself understand someone. Use your body gestures. Use your smile to make yourself understand and to make your conversation good. So in order to have a good conversation, you should use your body language, because we are not a robot. We can't talk like this. If I am talking like this, that I am looking like a robot. No, I can't make myself robot, because I am not robot. Okay, so if you use your hands, your smile, your eye contact, you can be more effectively. You can be more good. You can have your conversation more effectively. That someone make you understand. In order to have a good conversation, you can use your body language. You are not robot. And I'm damn sure that you must have heard or you must have watched the celebrity, the very VIPs log, and keep it in your mind while watching the interview of celebrities. Use the gesture. Observe how they are talking. Observe that how they are using their hands. Observe that how they are speaking. The way they speak, the way they use their hands, the way they use their smile, their eye contact. Please try to learn and observe, and please observe and learn. Try to use in your life. That will definitely help you to improve your communication skills, to have a good conversation, so that your conversation, so that when you start talking, you can be attractive. So simple words, use your body structure, use your movement, your hand gesture, your smile, nodding, saying something. It shows that you are interested, you are listening the person. And keep it in your mind, you have to focus the aspect I have told you in this video to have a good conversation. In order to have a good conversation, you are going to use the tips that I told you in this video. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Don't go without liking the video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.